Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can become an Odoo developer, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my main account and I'm on my dashboard, and there is one small thing I'm going to mention from here, and that is the developer mode, which you can enter. And for that, you could just need to go into settings and then scroll down until you see for developers or something of the sort. There we go, developer tools. As you can see, I have deactivated the developer mode because I already have it active. You can activate it with assets, with test assets, etc., etc. But what this is, it's pretty much just a glorified debug mode. You do have some functionalities which you can use to debug your apps and everything within Odoo itself. However, that's not how you become an actual developer. Now, to become a developer, you're going to need a couple of different skills. I do know that coding in Python is very, very important. You should be familiar with databases such as PostgreSQL. You should be familiar with HTML5 and CSS3 and so on and so forth. And if you want to become a developer, you're going to need to go to odoo.com/jobs, and here you'll find whichever jobs you might want. Now, these are all job postings for India, so you can just search for countries over here. So you can search for whichever country you want. So for example, let's say United States, and then you're just going to search for developer jobs right over here. There's going to be a lot of business and sales positions, which are most likely not the developer ones you're looking for. But for example, software sales specialists might be adjacent to developing, but pretty much you just want to find a job listing for a developer. So for example, a software developer or a full stack developer, such as this. As you can see, full stack engineer for support. You can just click on the job listing, and then you'll see all the requirements that you need to have, such as must-haves, nice-to-haves, responsibilities, etc. And you can just go through them, and if you have the skills, you can apply for that job, and then you might even get it. But yeah, let's say, for example, I go back to all countries, and you can go here to filter it through all departments. As you can see, you might be able to find development somewhere here. So let me just try and find it if I can. As you can see, development services, just click on that, and then you'll see, as you can see, developer/technical consultant, full stack developer, full stack engineer, etc., etc. And once you find whichever one you need, apply for it, and then you might get the job. Pretty much just like applying for any other job in the world. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.